Prediction 11 is a mobile application for Android mobiles. It will give you the cricket fantasy teams. Team generation is purely based on player statistics and ground statistics and recent form of all the players. Teams will be generated only after the toss playing 11 is announced. So there will be high accuracy in team generation. Registration is simple. You need a valid email ID. Password is minimum 8 characters, uppercase, lowercase, one number and special characters required. First name and last name is mandatory. Invite code is optional. Once you signed up, you will receive the verification code to your registered email ID. You need to provide that for registration completion. Once registration is completed, you will be able to log in. After successful registration, 100 credits will be added to your account. If you forgot the password, you can click on the forget password option to set the new password. Account. Username will be there. Pay balance will show how much credit you are already having. You can add more balance by click on add more. You can add any amount. Default options provided are 20, 50, 100. It is not mandatory to use the default amounts. You can enter any amount. After you click on continue, you will have options to pay the amounts. Net banking, wallet, card, UPI are the available options. Invite code. You can invite your friends to Prediction 11 application by sharing the code to your friends. You can share with WhatsApp or Gmail, etc. Once you invited your friend and he registers to the Prediction 11 app, then you both will get addition of 100 credits. Under the matches tab, all the available matches will be shown. Once the toss is done and the playing 11 is announced, the particular match will be enabled. You can click on the match and get your teams. But one thing to note, until the playing 11 is announced and the toss is done, the match will be disabled. You will not be able to get teams from the disabled match. From the available matches, you can click get teams to get n number of teams. Maximum you can get 25 teams. For the first 11 teams, you are going to be charged 1 rupees. For each team above 11 teams, you are going to be charged 1 rupees per each team. Once you click the get teams, your matches will be retrieved and it will be available in your matches tab. You can go there and view the teams which you got. In my matches tab, you will be able to see the matches which you bought. Once the match is completed, you will be able to see a new link called top teams available. Once the match is completed, player score will be updated in all the Prediction 11 teams. Then top teams will be generated and shown in Prediction 11 app. Top teams are different from your teams. Top teams are the best teams that is generated by the Prediction 11 for that particular match. This will give the idea of how effectively Prediction 11 is generating the teams. After the match completion, points will be updated in your matches tab also. In the top right corner, if you click the 3 dots, you will be able to see the menu which has offers, privacy policy, terms and conditions, rate us, about us, contact us and help. In the offers, you will be able to see referral bonus and registration bonus. Both will be having 100 credits each. If you click the contact us button, you will be able to mail us. You can give us suggestions and feedback on our application. If you click rate us, you will be able to rate us and write a review about Prediction 11 in the Google Play Store app. Keep getting more teams and keep winning